I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a common thing many people do, namely, placing hope in people. The problem with this attitude is that as people are not angels, they are bound to make mistakes and fall short of people's expectations and hopes. In addition, as times change and each person progresses along their own path, which is separate from the path of all others, it will cause them to become preoccupied with their own things, such as their responsibilities. This change often causes them to let down the people who place hope in them, even if they do not mean to do this. Hoping in people who are not perfect will generally lead to disappointment. A common example of this, especially in the Asian community, is when parents place hope in their children. They hope that their children will choose the path in life they advise them to, and hope their children will make taking care of their parents their ultimate priority. Even though children should definitely take care of their parents, as this is their duty, parents should not place their hope in them, as this can often result in disappointment. People should instead fulfill their duties to Allah, the Exalted, and towards people as Allah, the Exalted, has commanded, and then place hope in Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should never forget that the source of all help is Allah, the Exalted, and the creation are only a means. The source can still help them even without the means they have in mind if he so chooses. But the means by themselves cannot help without the source. If Muslims place their focus and hope on the means, then they will be disappointed. But if they place it on the source, then nothing can prevent them from gaining the support of Allah, the Exalted. So it is important for Muslims to place their hope in the correct place, which must be supported by obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. Then they will find the peace of mind and satisfaction they desire in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.